Neat Games! Hello world, Neat Games here, and I'm back with my 20th devlog. So this is my super simple 2D platforming game starring this super neat cat. And this will be my first biggish game and my first commercial release. So I hope to have this on Steam by December. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like. It really motivates me to keep working on this game. And I've been working on it since about February this year. And I started YouTube in April. So this week I got a lot of work done. And the first thing I want to show you is my new main menu. So my friend, who is a fellow YouTuber game dev, has a really cool tutorial how to add a parallax effect to your main menu, which follows the mouse. So take a look at this. So I love how the background shifts as the mouse moves. So I think with this new main menu, it really has a good first impression to the game. And as you probably noticed, I made a new cursor, which I tried to make look like a cat paw. Let me know what you guys think about this little cat paw. I'm debating between using a cat paw or just a simple Pixelart standard arrowhead mouse pointer. So let me know. And I'll have this tutorial in the description below if you also want to give it a try. It was super easy. And this week I also got to check out a bunch of Discord members' pixel art. So if you look here, I made a little secret level that I'll put in game actually, that'll be off the main path. And all these guys, Llama Dev, Skeffels, Doma, Unidentified, Baguette, Darren, and Manaki, they all made these cool statues. And I put them in this level. I plan on putting them throughout the game, and also I'll have this secret level called like Discord secret level, where they'll all be in one place so you guys can find it easily. But yeah, really great pixel art. Little llama, little UWU statue, a snake with a bee. I love this portrait, super cool style. Bag of treasure, and an NG over here. So thanks a bunch for that. And if you want to submit pixel art or more, you have until like, I'd say November. I'll keep taking them and filling up this level with cool stuff. And as you might have seen, I added a cool little pop-up dialogue box. So I think with this, I'll be able to tell the story of the game a little bit better. And I wanted to think of an easy way to do it that I could do. So I thought I'll have this little pop-up dialogue at the beginning of each level. The boss will talk too, but I haven't had a chance to make that yet for the boss levels, but he has a portrait. He's the only enemy that will talk to Neat Cat. And let me know what you think about the design. I tried to make Neat Cat look cool and cute at the same time, which is hard. Yeah, here's my Discord where you can submit the art. But here's my, I've been writing down the sentences he'll say, the Neat Cat chat. And the theme of the story is doing and finishing something you thought you couldn't do. So it kind of mirrors my game dev journey, because at first I wasn't sure if I could make a game. And through perseverance and consistency, I've made quite a big game, which is super cool. So like, you know, in the early levels, he's doubting himself. I'm tired, but I have to keep going. But he keeps pushing himself forward, and you learn a little bit more about the nanobots through the dialogue. So that's how the player will learn about the virus that created those jellyfish-like creatures. It's definitely not award-winning writing, but I think it's simple and clear. People will have a little bit more of a connection to Neat Cat. So let me see, I'll just play this level. Oh, and this is also a new level. So there are a lot of enemies here. I can smell them. So here he's much more brave. This is almost at the end of the game. And this was a fun level to make with some bouncy things, and you use the double jump a lot. And here's the spears from last episode. I made this cool walkway. You have to go right when they go away. Some falling stalactites. Here's a trap. Get at it. And I had fun designing this, and these are the nanobot jellies, if you didn't know. In my mind, the nanobots come together and form these guys. And they take over other animals. That's why the enemy animals have that pink visor as well. I'm still not quite sure why you collect these gems. I think at the end of the game, to see the secret ending or the full ending, it'll explain what the gems were. Actually, that's a good idea. I need to write that down. And yeah, this is the level. I used a lot of the old hazards with the new ones. See this little, whoa, I'm dead. And in order to put the, let me show you this real quick. So this is the level select screen, and I added the new tile map for the overworld. And to implement this cat paw cursor, it's a little tedious because I put it with the pause menu. Like before there was just this pause screen, but now I added the pause cursor, because to make a mouse cursor work on the UI buttons, it has to be another canvas, and it has to have the canvas group script, and it has to be a higher sorting order. If you just put the cursor code on the main UI, when you try to click buttons, it doesn't work. So if you ever have a problem with that, but it all works. But now I gotta go through all the levels and put this little prefab in everything and plop it in. So that's what I'll be doing, going through and putting in the cursor. And this is what the overworld looks like. I'll walk around. So you go from here into this, looks almost like a desert, but this is the dead forest. That's as far as I've gone, but I like it so far. And also I changed the boss because he was too hard. Yeah, this is the default text when I haven't put anything in. Meow, meow. And on the boss levels, the boss will talk first, and then the cat will respond, and you'll get lots of info about the nanobots from him. But before, his shoulder cannon just shot up, but it made it super hard to hit his head. So now he summons the little snake dudes, and I find it's easier because you can still, you know, have control of the high ground, so to speak, and not worry about him shooting you randomly from the shoulder cannon. And finally, I want to encourage you guys to join Devtober. So I did the one last year, and it helped grow my Twitter really well. So basically all you do is, all throughout October, you just use the hashtag Devtober and post it on Twitter. Seems like the best place. Post every day, and it can be anything. It could be, let me go to my Twitter. So yeah, it could be anything. It could be just a text post, it could just be an image, it could be a video, a GIF. Just post something every day. Basically you have no 0% days. So if you can work on your game for 10 minutes, just post about it. I'll try to post little video clips. I showed the new parallax menu here. And like if you click the Devtober hashtag, there's already a lot of people doing it. So it's fun to go through and look. And I keep getting more followers and stuff just because of this. Like 43 likes already, and like my normal posts these days are much lower. So the Devtober is already pretty popular. So I hope you guys do that. And if you haven't, please join the Discord. It's really cool seeing you guys there. Thanks a bunch for watching. Have a good week. Please like and subscribe. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm and all that. And I'll see you guys in the next devlog. I hope to make my Steam page as soon as possible. I'll look into that soon. So hopefully next devlog. Alrighty. See you later. Bye bye. Neat game.